This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear cache on the DuckDuckGo web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the DuckDuckGo web browser opened up now. To clear cache, DuckDuckGo makes it very easy to do. All you have to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the little fire icon. You want to click on the fire icon, and then you would go down to where it says clear. You could click on this details drop down and it will tell you what all it's going to clear, but I'm going to click on clear. It has deleted my browsing data. That is how to clear cache in the DuckDuckGo web browser. Thanks for watching.